Hey everyone, it's Kyle with Prolux, and we have another pro cleaning tip video for you today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a few items people overlook when they're vacuuming their home, and that's ceiling fans and air vents. The vacuum I'll be using in today's video is our Prolux 2.0 1-hour battery model, along with a commercial 1.5-inch diameter hose and duster brush. We'll start by cleaning the ceiling fan. The only ceiling fan I have in my home is in the master bedroom, and we like to run the fan 24/7 to not only keep the air circulating, but to keep the room overall more cooler. With that being said, and with me running the fan 24/7, dirt and dust have accumulated on the fan blades and it needs to be vacuumed off. It's ideal to vacuum the dirt and dust as it appears before it falls off the fan blades and gets your bed or room dirty and your air quality dirty. So now I'm going to start vacuuming the fan blades using the duster brush. While you're vacuuming the fan blade, I suggest you hold it so it doesn't move on you. Make sure you get the bottom, the top, and both sides of the fan blade, and then move the fan blade in any direction you want until all the blades are fully vacuumed. While you're at it, it's a good idea to vacuum the ceiling fan cover and along with the light bulbs if you want. Now that we have the ceiling fan dirt and dust free, I'm going to work on some air vents. A majority of the air vents will already be clean since it's pushing the air out and not sucking the air in. However, if you have an air vent in your bathroom that exhausts the air to the outside, the vent cover can capture dirt and dust. So it's necessary to inspect the vent cover and vacuum it when necessary, since it can affect the performance of the ventilation. The vent cover in my bathroom is starting to get dirt and dust on it, so I'm going to vacuum it off real quick. Alright, that's going to be it for this Prolux Pro cleaning tip video. I know it's a quick one, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. I bet a majority of you already knew this, but to the ones that didn't, I hope you'll start incorporating ceiling fans and air vents into your vacuuming routine. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please email us at service@proluxcleaners.com or leave a comment down in the comment section below and I'll personally get back to you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm hoping we can reach 500 subscribers by the end of this year, so thank you to all of those that have subscribed already. I'm Kyle with Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.